Hey there, beautiful souls! Welcome to your yoga journey. Today we're talking about flexibility. Flexibility is key to feeling good in your body. It helps you move better and feel better. And the best part? Anyone can become more flexible. Yoga is perfect for improving flexibility. It's gentle and kind to your body. You don't need to be flexible to start, just show up, and the magic begins. You'll stretch, breathe, and feel your body open up. Flexibility isn't just about touching your toes, it's about moving with ease and feeling good in your body. Everyday tasks become easier. Flexibility can reduce pain, improve posture, and boost your mood. In this guide, we'll explore some basic yoga stretches. These are perfect for beginners. They're simple, effective, and will help you start your flexibility journey. Remember, yoga is not about perfection. It's about progress and showing up for yourself. So let's begin. Take a deep breath. Smile, and let's dive into the wonderful world of yoga stretches. Flexibility is like a superpower for your body. It makes everything easier. Imagine waking up without stiffness. Picture yourself moving through your day with ease. That's what flexibility can do for you. It's not just about yoga poses, it's about living your best life. When you're flexible, you feel good and move better. Stretching isn't just for athletes, it's for everyone. We all need to stretch. Our bodies crave it. When we stretch, we release tension and increase blood flow. Regular stretching has many benefits. It can reduce back pain, improve posture, help you sleep better, and boost your energy levels. Stretching is like pressing the reset button on your body. It's a moment of self-care in a busy world. And the best part, you can do it anywhere, anytime. As we dive into these yoga stretches, remember to be kind to yourself. Your body is unique. Focus on how you feel. Listen to your body. Breathe deeply. Move slowly. Enjoy the process. This is your time, your practice, your journey to a more flexible, happier you. Are you ready? Let's get stretching. Let's start with some easy yoga poses. These are perfect for beginners. They're gentle and effective, and they'll help you build flexibility. Remember, go at your own pace. Yoga is a journey, not a race. First up is the cat-cow stretch. This is great for your spine and warms up your body. Start on your hands and knees. Wrists under shoulders, knees under hips. Breathe in, drop your belly, look up, cow pose. Breathe out, round your spine, tuck your chin, cat pose. Move between these poses with your breath. Next, child's pose. A resting pose and a great stretch. Start on hands and knees, spread knees wide, sit back on heels. Reach arms forward, rest forehead on mat. Breathe deeply, feel the stretch. Lastly, a gentle twist. Twists are great for your spine and digestion. Sit with legs straight, bend right knee, place foot outside left thigh. Hug knee with left arm, place right hand behind. Twist right, look over shoulder, breathe deeply. Section 4, Mastering the Mountain Pose. Now let's talk about mountain pose. It might look simple, but it's powerful. It's the foundation of many yoga poses. Mountain pose teaches us to stand tall, be grounded, and find balance. To do mountain pose, start by standing with your feet together or hip-width apart. Press your feet into the ground and engage your leg muscles. Lift your kneecaps slightly and tuck your tailbone under a bit. Stand tall and imagine a string pulling you up from the crown of your head. Roll your shoulders back and down. Let your arms hang by your sides. Focus on your breath. Breathe deeply, in through your nose, out through your nose. Notice how you feel. Mountain pose is about finding stillness, strength, and your center. It improves posture, strengthens your legs and core, helps with balance and focus, and boosts confidence. Practice mountain pose every day, even for just a minute. You'll be amazed at how it changes you, not just physically, but mentally too. Remember, yoga is about mind and body. Mountain pose connects both. Let's move on to a forward fold. This pose is amazing for flexibility. It stretches your back, legs, and hips. It's also calming and helps relieve stress. Start in mountain pose. Take a deep breath in. As you exhale, hinge at your hips and fold forward. Let your upper body hang heavy. Bend your knees if needed. Let your head and neck relax. Hands can touch the floor, grab elbows, or rest on shins. Focus on your breath. With each exhale, fold deeper. To come out, bend your knees, place hands on hips, and roll up slowly. When upright, notice how you feel. Practice daily for flexibility and relaxation. Safety is crucial in yoga. We want to feel good, not hurt ourselves. So let's talk about some important safety tips. First, always listen to your body. If something hurts, stop. Pain is not the goal. Yoga should feel good. It might be challenging, but never painful. Your body knows best. Trust it. Start slow. Don't push too hard, too fast. Flexibility takes time. Be patient with yourself. Celebrate small improvements. Remember, yoga is not a competition. It's not about how you look. It's about how you feel. Focus on your own practice. Use props if you need them. Breathe. Yoga is a practice of breath and movement together.